Welcome everyone to our warehouse where I will be unboxing the Mira HV25 BMS. The Mira comes in two parts, the BMS and the battery itself. The BMS is the main controlling unit of your stack of batteries. The Mira BMS comes with all of your power cables and comms cables already packaged. So the thinner cables are from your inverter to your BMS, and your thicker cables is from battery to battery. And then of course you get your communication cable that's also rolled up in here. Then the Mira also comes with a spare set of blue connectors for connecting the BMS to the actual inverter. Last but not least, it's the actual BMS unit itself. So this is the actual BMS for the Mira, the controlling system. To make a complete system work, you will also need to add the battery module. I will be unboxing the Mira battery, so let's crack it open. So in the box, you get supplied a comms cable. This is just to link two batteries to each other via comms. Then you also get your power cable, user manual, everything included. I want to point out that the power cable is positive to negative because these are high voltage batteries and you connect them in series, not in parallel. And then this is the battery itself. If you want to find out more about the FoxESS inverters and batteries, just have a look below at the videos. We've got some advantages videos, unboxing and installation video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.